Assalamu alaikum. Myself Shabnam Chaudhary and I'm from Anjuman Islam Abdul Azim Khatkate English Secondary School, Vashi. Student, today I'm going to teach you a small topic, but it is very interesting and we have to use or we can use that topic in our day-to-day or we are using that topic in our day-to-day life. So, for that I want everyone to give answer of my question. As you can see here, a small and very beautiful garden. Children are playing in this garden. Can you count how many are there? 13 children. After some time, some children went home. Can you count again how many are remaining? 8. Okay. Initially it was 13. After some time it became 8. Now my question is for you is that how many children went to their home? 5. How did you come to know? By doing subtraction. So today I am going to teach you about the subtraction. I know already you know how to subtract two numbers, but in this video we are going to learn how to subtract 6 or 7 digits number, and also you will be able to solve word problem based on that. Children, subtraction is the process of removing one number from the other or calculating difference between two numbers. Quickly you will see this example. As you can see here, minus sign and the underline sign. First I have to arrange or we have to arrange the number as per the place value. Now as you can see here, student, the first unit place is 3 and the below 7. 3 minus 7 is not possible because 3 is smaller than 7 and we cannot subtract 7 from 3. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 1/10 from the next column or from the tens place. So here 3 becomes 13. Now 13 minus 7 is 6. Now after giving one number to the earlier one, 9 becomes 8. So 8 minus 4 is 4. Similarly with the next, that is in the 100 place, 2 is smaller than 5. He will borrow from the next column and become 12. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 4 becomes 3. Again borrow wala process. Then 13 minus 8 is 5. And here the last answer. Quickly you will see this sum also. Here the digits are 5. So you have to arrange the number as per the place value. Then you have to write minus sign along with the underline. As you can see again the first unit place, that is 8. So 8 minus 9 is not possible because 8 is smaller than 9, and 9 minus 8 is possible? No. Students, we cannot subtract 9 minus 8. So what he will do? 8 borrow 1 from next column and becomes 18. So 18 minus 9 is 9. Similarly, after giving one number from the earlier one, 5 turns to 4. Now 4 is again smaller than 6. Again he will borrow and becomes 14. So 14 minus 6 is 8. Same procedure is going for all the place value, and here the answer. Look at this example. Minus sign and underline sign. Now we are going to talk about the 6-digit number. So 8,57,513 subtract, or you have to minus with 4,82,256. So again I have arranged the number as per the place value with minus sign with underline sign. Now as earlier I told you, smaller and bigger. So first unit place 3 is smaller than 6. What he will do? He will borrow from the next column and becomes 13. So 13 minus 6 is 7. Now in the tens place 1. While giving one digit or one number to the earlier one, 1 turns to 0. So again he will borrow from the next, then 0 will becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. Then 7 minus 2 is 5. Then 15 minus, and the last one is 7 minus 4 is 3. Same procedure we have to follow for the 7 digits number. Same way, method of writing is same. Arrange all the numbers in the proper place value with minus and underline sign. And here, as you can see, in the unit place the bigger number, 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. Then next, as you can see in the tens column, 1, that's just smaller. So 11 minus 2 is 9, and so on. The procedure is going on. Here the next example for you, like this. Okay, and here the answer. There's a fourth one. Next example. See how I've written with minus and underline sign. Now, students, these two sums you have to do on your own. Now, little bit difficult word problem. As earlier you have solved the word problem based on addition. Here the word problem based on subtraction. Okay, I will read the question for you. Prathamesh want to buy a laptop worth rupees 27,450. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? I already explained you while solving the word problem, you have to divide the solution into 3 parts or 3 steps. The first part is given, second is addition or subtraction based on the problem, and the last one is the answer. So here, what is the given or what is the given data about the Prathamesh or about the laptop? So price of laptop, you will going to write that is 27,450. How much amount Prathamesh have, that also you have to write. This is first step. Now second step, you have to subtract. So I have written the underline, then minus sign, and then the answer. Now my second step is over. Now the third and the final statement. Prathamesh still needs rupees 4475. Similarly, the second one. A company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next year. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? Here the in this question it is related to scooters manufacturing of the certain year and the next year, and you have to find the difference. How many? That means difference between the previous year. So again, what is given that you have to write? The first given is scooter manufactured in the certain year, that you are going to write. Then next step you are going to write about the scooter manufactured in the next year, that you have to write. Now my first part is over. Now I'm going to do subtraction. Here my second part with final answer. Now this is the third one. I've written all the given and with answer. Now second part is missing, that you have to do by your own. Question number 4. Use the number 23,849 and 27,056 to make a subtraction problem. Solve the problem. Here as you can see, here no data is given, just 2 number is given and you have to subtract direct. So here first number and you have to subtract with this, with minus sign and underline. This question number 5, you have to solve by your own. So student, in this video you have learned how to subtract 7 or 6 digit number and also word problem based on